We went to Farrar Family Farms to help them load up their chickens for processing. But first, we got a tour. See ya! Now it was time to go load the chickens. Just for the shot.
So we're going to start by just laying out a bunch of empty crates kind of scattered through the floor, because that kind of reserves that floor space. Okay. Then you're not like stacking them on top.
Because they'll get stacked up, like the crates will get stacked up like 4 or 5 high on inside the coop.
And so then what we'll do is get one layer, kind of like maybe 8 or so crates in there, and you fill them all to 10 each. Then we'll bring in more empties and stack them, 10 each, and then you just kind of repeat that. Let's lay out empty crates in all these real quick, and then we'll go over how we load birds.
We're waiting.
Yeah.
Until
Chickens are calm and sleepy.
When you grab them, you don't want their wings to flap so much. One, it can
try and like tuck their wings in.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's really pretty simple. You just open your hands a lot, and it kind of keeps their wings down, and you grab them from the breast meat. But when their wings flap and you're putting them in the crates, it can bruise them really bad, and then we can't sell the wings because the blood clots will stay.
Okay.
So just, be conscious of that.
Try not to put them in the crates like directly on top of each other.
Yes.
Okay.
Because their talons will like cut their backs.
Okay.
So you try and just like nestle them in and...
feel the sweat down my back?
Oh yeah, I feel it like dripping down my temple.
I feel the muscles growing
Yes.
on my back.